Headlight assemblies are a vital component of any vehicle's lighting system. They provide drivers with the necessary illumination to navigate roads safely, especially during low light conditions. These assemblies come in a variety of styles and designs, including halogen, LED, and HID options. They can also be customized to fit specific vehicle models and sizes. Headlight assemblies are made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity, making them a cost-effective investment for any driver. 1. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly. The Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly is compatible with several Chevrolet models, including the Silverado and Tahoe. The assembly features waterproofing to prevent moisture from entering the housing, providing reliable lighting in all weather conditions. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide brighter lighting, while the side micro-prism reflector ensures oncoming drivers can see you at night. The assembly is also impact-resistant, with a polycarbonate lens and tough housing to withstand rough roads. 2. Amerilite Jet Halogen. The Amerilite Jet Black projector headlights are designed to fit 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500 models, including both factory projector and non-projector trims, as well as 2019 classic models. Made in Taiwan, these headlights feature a single projector with an LED parking and turn signal light bar and include a switchback double color feature. The headlights meet or exceed all regulations in the US and Canada and are easy to install with no modification needed. 3. DWVO Headlights Assembly compatible. The DWVO Headlights Assembly is compatible with 2010 to 2016 Cadillac SRX models with halogen headlights only. The metallized reflectors improve illumination for better visibility and driving safety in low light conditions. The fully sealed structure with solid silicone prevents moisture from being trapped inside the housing, making it weather-sealed. It is constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses that offer protection against road debris and impact. 4. Binkmei Anti-Fogging Headlight Assembly. The Binkmei Anti-Fogging Headlight Assembly is designed for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500 and 3500. It features a physical anti-fogging coating that eliminates the risk of fogging up. The assembly is plug-and-play, requiring no drilling or wiring. It is street legal, DOT&SE compliant, and 200% brighter than the old, stock units. Enjoy a generous 2-year warranty with your purchase. 5. Axlaha Chevy Silverado Headlights Assembly. AXLAHA Chevy Silverado Headlights Assembly is a high-quality replacement for OE-type 2007 to 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500-2500s HD, 3500 HD. The assembly is made of high-quality materials and has undergone rigorous quality tests to ensure durability. IP65 waterproof level and excellent sealing make it suitable for various environments. The assembly is designed with high-quality reflecting bowls and reflectors that increase brightness and improve driving safety. It's easy to install with a plug-and-play design and comes in pairs with driver and passenger sides. 6. Oxylam 2023 Upgraded H11 LED Bulbs. OXILAM H11 LED bulb with 16 PCs upgraded CSP chips, 16,000 lumens, 400% brighter than halogen bulbs, greatly improving night visibility. 6500K Cool White Light. Get rid of the dark yellow halogen lights, so that everything in front of you is clear, making driving safer. Designed with 1:1 size with halogen bulbs, no bulky bulb base and extra driver, so you don't need to worry about the lack of space for lamp housing installation. All-in-one design with non-plastic connectors for more robustness and durability.